Now, your first alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
So most of the Gem State right now under a flash flood watch, with the exception of the Snake River Plain and the Magic Valley. But western Idaho, central Idaho, and the southeastern highlands right now under that flash flood watch until Wednesday morning. And we have a couple of warnings to talk about. So the watch is conditions are there, and then the warning means that we are actually seeing those conditions, or the conditions are about to happen. So let's go right to the warning map here. I want to show you that on First Alert Viper radar, I have two flash flood warnings. One goes until 7 o'clock. That's for the Rockland and Roy area, and that's for Power County and eastern Cassia County. A little bit of Oneida County also lumped into there. And then also you got a new warning. This is for Marsh Valley, Aramo, Downey, all the way to Lava Hot Springs. This includes the city of Malad, Samaria, and also all the farmland west of those communities and through the Arbin Valley. And what you have here is a flash flood warning that goes until 8 o'clock. These storms are coming in from the south to the north, so they are blowing towards Pocatello and the Snake River Plain, so more showers on the move. Let's go to the eastern highlands here. Have a pretty decent band of thunderstorm action east of Rexburg, right along the mountains between Teton and Madison County. And getting into Teton County, most of the heavy thunderstorms are right now over Teutonia, and just as you get up into the hill there, pushing over on Highway 33 towards Rexburg. And you're also looking at some of these thunderstorms getting up to Ashton and Warm River, but some pretty decent thunderstorms there, and they're getting right on top of it. Like I said, Teton County with quite a bit of lightning, especially on the west side of the valley. Also more storms coming over Bear Lake, which are pushing back towards Montpelier and Soda Springs. So more of the wet weather with us here, and it's going to stay this way with this area of low pressure over southern Nevada. It's moving northward slowly, and it's going to be with us through much of the work week here. We're really not catching a break until Thursday and Friday, but even then we're just calling for more scattered thunderstorms into the weekend. Vipercast tonight around 10 o'clock, scattered showers and thunderstorms, and we'll see some overnight sprinkles, and then for tomorrow morning to get you started, mainly cloudy, scattered showers, although it looks like we're going to actually pull in some sunshine for challis and salmon, but the rest of us here entrapped in that cloud cover, and then we work on some scattered showers. 3 o'clock, things are getting right with the program here, and even some rumbles of thunder. You see the pockets of red on the Vipercast indicating some heavier showers, possibly even some thunderstorms there, and then we'll see the same for Tuesday night getting into Wednesday morning. Overcast conditions, Wednesday morning, some scattered showers, and then we're going to see more of these scattered showers rotating in. You will have sunny spells and clearing conditions at times mixed in with this stormy weather pattern, so you do get a little bit of sunshine, but that's Mother Nature teasing you, because we're going to keep this pattern going for the rest of the week and also a bit of your weekend with more scattered thunderstorms. 55 for Challis tonight, 56 in Idaho Falls for the low, 53 for Driggs, 54 for Jackson, and 47 for West Yellowstone. Back to around 60 for Pocatello. Pretty mild tonight because we have the cloud cover and we have the moisture in place. So the lows aren't going to be that terribly cold outside, but you will have the passing showers overnight, and we'll see most of that getting into tomorrow as well. Temperatures tomorrow into the 70s. We're at 75 for Soda Springs, 79 for Pocatello, near 80 for Malad, and we'll hit around 79 for Pocatello. Mid to upper 70s here on the board, with 77 for Blackfoot, 76 in Rexburg, lower 70s in Jackson, upper 60s for West Yellowstone, lower 70s in DuBois, upper 80s in Salmon. The 8-day forecast as we push forward, you're going to notice here highs into the mid to upper 70s for the rest of the week. We will get into the lower 80s territory on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but notice the threat for showers decreases once we get past Thursday. I'm just going to call for a slight chance of a lingering thunder shower this weekend, and that's all for eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. So a few scattered thunderstorms this weekend, but I still think if you're going to try to get outdoors, you're looking at a decent hot weekend with temperatures pushing back closer to 90 by Sunday in Pocatello here. But for the next couple of days, the flooding threat will be high on our watch list, especially for areas prone to flooding. Rexburg, I would be watching this very carefully. Highs here into the mid-70s, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Same thing for Pocatello. We'll look for Blackfoot, highs here into around the mid to upper 70s. We could also see a lot of farmland flooding here. 80 for Thursday, 81 on Friday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms into the weekend there with highs into the mid-80s. Jackson, cool and wet as we crest into Tuesday and Wednesday, which highs tomorrow in Jackson to the upper 60s, lower 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Carol.
All right, thank you. Here's what we're working on for Local News 8 at 6. A summer lunch program is being offered to kids who normally would be getting their lunches during school hours, but the school cannot provide the meal at this time, this month of August, so a church in Blackfoot is helping to pick up the slack, a federally funded program that gives some of these kids the only nutritious meal they have all day.
We give a good, nutritious lunch.